Hi, I'm Paul, the Happy Gilder. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to look at a couple of processes of applying mother of pearl to the back of a glass sign. So this is the piece I'm going to be working on. You might remember it from the last video I did, which was shading block lettering. And what I'm going to do is apply mother of pearl to the bottom sections of it. And I'm going to do that in a couple of ways. But first, we'll just have a look at what mother of pearl is and where I buy it from. So this is a place I get it from. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, so I don't make any money off anyone buying stuff from here. But every time I bought from here, it's been really good quality. It arrives in good time. And it's a kind of bit bigger than an A5 sheet of thin mother of pearl shell. And you can get it in all sorts of different colours. And it's one of these mother of pearl sheets that I'm going to be cutting up and then applying to the back of the sign. So I'm now just going to run through some of the kit that we need to do this. So firstly, mother of pearl. I've only got a little bit left, but it'll do for a sign this size. You're going to need glue, and it's important that you have solvent-free glue. And the reason is, if you've done any painting on your sign up until this point, if you use a solvent-based glue, that'll just corrode the paint, and it does it really quickly, and it'll just ruin the sign, and you'll have to start the painting again. Some glitter as well. Like I said, I'm going to do two different methods of applying this, which will give two different effects. And it's nice to blend the mother of pearl with glitter. And just a small tin of clear gloss enamel. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to change the camera angle and then get started applying it. So for method one, all I'm going to be doing is cutting up a strip of mother of pearl into small little squares. Now you can just cut this stuff with scissors, and if you play around with it too much, it can start breaking apart, but if you just delicate and just snipping it up, it'll be fine. It should stay into the shapes that you want it in. So I'm doing these in a few different sizes because I want it kind of, quite random, I suppose, like a scatter effect of these nice sort of sparkly areas. So do that and keep these on here. So what I've done is I've picked two different types of mother of pearl. So for the middle strip, I'm going for this, which I'm not sure how the light's catching that, but this is going to be one single strip going across this middle panel. And for the bottom of the letter T, I'm going with this, which is a heavily sparkled sort of variant, I suppose. And I'm just going to be doing a process which, if you're familiar with my videos, you'll have seen me do before. And that's using the clear gloss enamel as an adhesive. So start that now. And I'm going to be going from this line here and then covering the whole bottom of the T. Nice and thick as well, because like I say, I want this to act as a glue and also to make the bottom of the letter completely transparent. So just start by getting this in here. Now I don't know how long this takes to dry, so I tend to like to work in stages. I mean, it might be a bit overkill for something this small, but you can just kind of start dropping these little bits on as you've painted it, just in case it dries up, which I don't think it will when we're kind of doing it this thick, but just in case. And that looks about right. So now I'm just going to sprinkle this nice kind of turquoise glitter all over the rest of that enamel. And that'll blend in really nicely with the shards of mother of pearl. So and that's that. So I'm just going to leave that to dry for a few hours and then tip the glitter off, and then we can get started on the second application. Okay, so I've just made a little trough that I'm going to tip the glitter into, then into this tray, then back into the bag, hopefully. It's a new idea. Seemed to work all right. So I've just ran the hoover over the back of that just to get rid of any excess glitter. So now time to apply the full piece of shell. So What I've done is measured this and cut this so it's exactly the right width to fit in place. And I've also just put a bit of vinyl here, and that's because I don't want the glue to go into my glue chipped areas. With it being solvent-free glue, it doesn't matter if it goes on the painted areas, although it's best to try and avoid it anyway. So it's just a simple case of putting enough glue on there to make it so that it's transparent, similar to how you kind of apply the gloss enamel. And that's plenty, because when that's pushed down, that's going to spread out. So try to get this in place and just gently push that down. And that's it. I'm just going to leave that. It says 60 seconds, but I'll probably leave it an hour just to make sure it's set in place properly. And then that'll be that. And this is how it came out. So you can see the two different methods have vastly different effects. I think it looks nice. It's a little bit bling, you know, but I only had the turquoise mother of pearl. But you can get it in white, and mixing white mother of pearl with white glitter is a really nice kind of effect. It's ever so subtle. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and click the little thumbs up icon, and please share it with anyone else who you think might enjoy it. So till next time, cheers.